Hello YouTubers, the new Time Travel Jaime 88. I'm back with another DVD review, and today I got another DVD review I want to show you guys. It's one of the favorite TV shows. Is short-lived, and I saw it and I'm going to review it. It is Birds of Prey. Yep, this is the complete series. Now this set in the Batman era is an alternate timeline, and it's very different. And it says here, Batman's little girl is all grown up. The setting is very different from the story. Batman, you see him briefly, but he goes away, never to be seen again, with the Catwoman. And that's why I got the Huntress. Then Oracle, who was Batgirl, Barbara Gordon, until she got shot by the Joker. And she got a teenage daughter named Dinah. So let's take a look over here. It's a very nice Lyncher cover. It's glossy. Boss gloss on there. Here's the spine. Other spine. The back. When a new Gotham needs a hero, 3 step forward. It stars Ashley Scott, Dana Meyer from, that's Dana Meyer right here. She also in Star Trek Nemesis. Rachel Skarsten, Shamar Moore, Ian Akabram, and Mia Sara. Let's take a look on the DVD cover. It says right here. And here's the DVD, what it looks like right here. Let's go over here. Here we have disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, and disc 4. And let's take a look over here. Has a nice little booklet. Here's with the cast right here. Here's the episode list. And it comes with an unaired pilot. Plus, Gotham Girls, the complete series. Very nice collection. For those of you who haven't heard the series ran on the WB network from 2002 to 2003. Let's put this thing back in there. If you haven't heard of the series, I recommend to pick it up. It's a very good series. And to add it to your Batman collection. That's it for this review. Till next time, this is the new Time Travel Jaime 88 saying so long for now.